Hi, good morning, Internet, YouTubes. Today I'll be changing my front disc brake pads for Renault Duster 2012. So, first I remove the tires and I put it down the engine bay so that it will be safe. And then I remove this one, this cap, which is here. It's located here. It's covering the one bolt that will remove this component of the disc brake pads. So in that I'm using this number. It's a 7 mm 7 mm key. This one. So that I can remove this and remove the disc brake pads. This is the disc brake pads, the inner one and the outer one. It's already very thin. That's why I have to replace this with a brand new, which I bought here in Qatar, in Nissan, for 181 Qatar Riyals. So I hope this information can, this video can help you also to do it yourself for replacing the brake pads of your Renault Duster. It's a K4M engine. So after that, I use this one to push this flat screwdriver to push this disc pads to the right, so that the brake cylinder will push in again. And I open this one so that it will the fluid will go up. So I will remove it later once it will be on the top of that reservoir. This is the one. I disconnect the wire which is connected there and then remove it. So that's it. I will take again a video after this removal of this patch. See you. Next, I will be removing this one, by using a screwdriver. This is a safety pin, so that this one will be free from this one. It will release. So just remove it with a flat screwdriver 1 and 2. Don't forget that when you return back, it should be in this area and this area. This one, it will lock. It's a safety pin to this. It's different. I'm removing before some Japanese cars, but it's a different design, different style, different safety precautions. Okay. After that, I thought it's only one here. There is two. It's one also here. So I remove this cap also that covering this bolt, and then I will use this one again to loosen it. So counterclockwise to loosen it. Yeah. Loosen. So that's it. You have to remove, put it back here, full screwdriver here up to here, so that you can easily release this once you remove these two bolts, and then pull it out, and you will see that there is a lock here. Then after that, I will clean this one. I'm putting some grease. It's ordinary grease only. This one, MP3 grease, so that once because sometimes if you're not putting here and here, or cleaning this too, sometimes you have when you brake, your car will swing to the right or to the left, so it should be clean and put some grease. You see my brake pads, it's very thin, but I monitor this one here. Once I can show you in the other side, you have a flashlight, and you just monitor it outside here using your flashlight. You can see that your brake pad is still okay by not removing this whole time. That's why I'm monitoring it. I know that it's already, because I'm adding fluid there, so I know that my brake pads need to be changed soon. So that's it. That's why I have, at least it's not totally thin, so still the metal is far away. Okay. As you can see, this one here, there is an area where there is also corrosion. I think this is the culprit why when I'm braking, it is not evenly, the car will swing from right or left, because it's not totally clean. See, there is a corrosion in this area. That's why I will be cleaning it and putting some grease, both of this and also at the left side, driver side of this wheel. I use this degreaser. It's only a dishwashing liquid and water, and spray it here so that it will be clean before returning back using this paint brush, so that it looks back to original. And I will just wipe it with cloth, so at least it's still clean before returning it back. Subukan natin medyo palyado, kasi gawa ng init yun eh. So this is what I did. I put some grease and I will return it back here, these two, and then just clean it by using only dishwashing liquid. So after that I will return it back. So maybe this video is only for this right side of this, because I'm using a cell phone. So the same process will be applied on the other side also. So maybe I forgot, I cannot take a video anymore. So at least this one process in the right side will be the same on the left side. Time. So I use this one so that I will grip this one and insert so that it will go inside, because you see there is a pin here that it will not go inside if you will not press it, so that it's like it's safety like a safety precaution, so that this one will go, once it will be very thin, it will not go out. So by using this, grip and press it inside. Before I forgot, I use some also to this one is I think 2000 grit sandpaper. So I'm just cleaning this one also, so that it will at least clean before adding adding the putting back the new disc pads. Agani waves. Now you see, when you are returning it back, the other side, the outer side of the brand new brake pads, it should be installed only like that. And the other one, which I have a video that I inserted one because there's a pin, so it should be like this, so that it's easy for you to install immediately without any. So you have to pull it out, all of these two. I put already grease on that. Now I return this one, this pin. Now it's all intact. I tight these two using this 7mm. This one. Now return back. No need bleeding because I did not open the line. But soon I will be also having a video for that, changing all the fluid. Now you can see the level of the fluid is going up because I push the piston, so the fluid return back, going up. So it's only one side. Once I push the other side, I think it will be going to the top of this reservoir. Okay. Now I return back the tires, and I will do the same process in the other side. So after this, and I will check it in the road if it's already all are in order. I'm checking also the sway when I am braking in a highway. So see you on the next video, because I'm planning to remove the oxygen sensor also. I bought this one locally here, and it's cheaper than the longer one, which I'll show you that one in the next video. So bye. I hope this video can be helpful to those who are owner of a Renault Duster. It's already, I bought this one almost 1 year now, and I did a lot with my DIY. So it's sometimes, I search also a lot of videos. So some YouTubers help me, and now I'm returning it back, helping others also who was the owner of the Renault Duster. See you on the next video. Bye.